sleeping on a faraway shore. Would you like to sing this to Jim? Would you like to sing this to Jim?
I do sing it to him.
Yeah, what does he say?
He laughs. I said, the hell you laughing at? I like the way you sing it. Love to get you. I go like this to get you. Go to China. And he laughs his ass off. He says, cut him out of that because I gotta go to the bathroom.
There is no verse.
I tease him a lot.
Yeah?
I tease him a lot.
What do you say to him?
No, he likes it. Like Tony tells me, you should have been a comedian. Then I go, to China. He said, you sing it to me? I said, that's right. Alone. You won't want to be with me alone. Why not? Who's that guy singing, Dean?
I don't know, I have to look on the CD.
I like the way he sings that.
Are you gonna dance?
Huh?
You gotta dance.
That's one thing, I never saw him dance.
No, why don't you ask him to dance to this with you?
Well, I go, come on, Jim, let's dance. He
Love to take Jim
He says, I
on a slow boat to China.
All to myself alone. I like the way that guy sings. Who's next?
I put it on again.
Is that Freddie Martin?
Yeah.
Jack Fina?
Yeah.
I was looking at his picture the other day and I was talking to him. And I said,
That's creepy.
I said, yeah, I was talking to him. I said, gee, Jack, too bad you had to pass away.
I'd love to
Get you on a slow boat to China.
Sing it like you're singing to Jim.
Want me to sing to Jim?
No, sing it like you're singing to Jim. How would you sing it to Jim?
The same. I love to
keep you in my arms.
Evermore.
But he laughs when I sing to him. He goes, stop it. He's like, I can't stop laughing.
Sleeping on the faraway shore. Out on the briny. Big and shiny.
I love that orchestra guy. Alone.
Here it goes. There's the last part.
I love to get you on a slow